News. BBC News. No, I'm just kidding. British. What's it?
British Broadcast Central.
Broadcasting Company.
Yeah.
Company.
Okay, everyone. Thank you all for coming to our session again. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. We're getting closer and closer to a final product. Yes, this is rough. This is tough, but I'm telling you, in the real music industry, it's like much worse than this, and people are much more rude to each other. But we are doing this, we're moving forward, and we're very fortunate. We got some great people here with us to help us move forward. So thank you, Malo, and thank you, Mwakla, for continuing to help us continue this, because without you guys and Jill and everyone, I think it would be so difficult for us to do this. So thank you guys. And thank you, LaCroix, for joining us too.
Yes, wow.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess now we can go ahead and break out into the Group 2 session with Malo for now, until the rest of Group 1, which is when I ask when they get here, then they'll do their session. But right now, we have a chance to iron out our Group 2 song.
Come on, do. Play loud, play, go, just play. No talking. This is an intimate setting.
That's not. Sorry.
You're off key.
Very. I don't know.
Come, give me the key.
No, like this.
I can't.
Come on, try.
Can we say it?
Yeah, just try.
That's the way you guys, you can't sing. There.
Oh, good. There you go. Can we hum your entire melody?
See?
What were your keys when you played?
It was originally G.
Yeah, what are your keys? Play your keys.
D, A minor 7.
Okay, so if you're on C,
C,
it's G, and D minor, and then yeah.
No, not E minor, D minor.
D minor, yeah. Yeah. And that's the equivalent key to your other one.
So, but do the D minor 7 instead of
Yeah, give it this one. This one.
D minor 7.
Go to the end of
There.
it. And then what's the last one?
Come back to
D
D.
minor 7 is just that one button at the top. Just the one string at the top. Higher. Yeah, that's
Your
it.
keys are now C, and then G, and then D minor. Those are the equivalent keys. The C, the F, the G, the D minor. So that's equivalent to your last one.
Play and see it. Also this. I get the syllables right, eh? That's all you gotta do. Just one rotation. But just get the syllables right. You guys ready to take a try? Take a stab at it?
Sige, ulit. Hindi. Ulit lang ko. Ay,
So do like a one bar, eh? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 strongly before the song comes in.
Okay, so I guess
Yo,
C
can one of you guys
is-
like just tap the floor, like, I want to feel like as soon as I come, just like tap, because I don't know where to start.
ay, yun. Ang muna ako.
All right.
Do one wrong. So,
Oh, you want all.
yeah, you go do the rotation of the key, and when you come back, and then you can start. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it.
Man.
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry. Yeah,
G,
I'm
G,
used to
G,
it.
G. That's fine.
No, malok masing kina
Oh, chancening?
Oo, na chancening. Awal mang lang makasising yung metal ko sa di high.
Ah.
Awal mang gadidi.
Okay.
Awal makasing.
Hey, nakadam na. Kumlam mo ka. Sige. Let's go.
Mga